Hey guys, welcome to Callie's Crafts. Today we are going to be making some color changing scented slime. Okay, so first you're going to need some color changing glue, and then you'll need some tropical scented slime activator, but there is different scents. So let's get started.
And it goes a little something like
So the first thing I'm going to do is add this color changing glue that changes from purple to pink from your hands, the warmth of your hands. So first I'm going to pour it in, and I'm just going to add the whole bottle. Whoa, this is so satisfying. Oh, this is hard to get out. Okay. So next I'm going to add the tropical scented activator. So I'm just going to put a little bit for now, so and see how much I need later on. Super thick. That should be good. So now I'm going to mix it up and see how much it activates. Ooh, it smells so good. If you guys were here right now, it would be such a tropical goodness in here. So I think we might need to add a little bit more activator, but first let's keep mixing to see. Okay, it's globbing up a little bit, so, and it's still sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more activator. Okay. And I left a little bit of glue inside the glue bottle, so if I overactivate it, I just add a little bit of glue. It's starting to feel good, not sticky. Ooh, my hands are pink. Hey, it works. Really messy. Oof. If you try this at home, make sure you put a tablecloth or something over your table so your table doesn't get super messy and sticky. Okay, I'm going to set this down and try to fix up the other slime. I'm just going to take little pieces at a time so I can fix them up a little bit at a time. All of it is turning pink. So I'm going to take my magic fingers and snap, and all my slime will be finished. This is my finished product, and that was really quick. And it's done, and it's all pink. Ooh, so nice. This was a super easy slime, and it only took 2 ingredients. The first was the color changing glue, and the second was the scented activator. And the scented activator smells so delicious. I wish you guys were here to smell this. Ooh. Well, that's it. And to make your slime not dry out, make sure you get a plastic bag or a sealed tight container so you can keep your slime safe and nice so it does not make you sad when it dries up. Thanks for watching Callie's Crafts. Make sure you subscribe, like, and click the notification bell.